Let's learn how to install APK files on iPhone. So quick answer, you can't do that. Why? Because APK files are designed for Android system and Android devices, and iOS device has the version of APK and it's called IPA. So it's iOS package App Store. As you can see here, now are APA and APK same? In reality, yeah, but they are designed for different systems, and you can't download APK on iOS unless you code and jailbreak your iPhone. And I don't recommend jailbreaking iPhone if you have some new iPhone like 11 to 12 and so on to 16. So if you have some older iPhones, you can jailbreak them, you can do whatever you want. But if you have some new generations, I don't recommend doing it. And for APK files, you can just download and search for IPA. So this is the format of APK file on iOS. That's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.